breakroom may look like a difficult place to adjust for social distancing, but a few changes can keep it just as functional while being safer for everyone. When tighter restrictions are in place, start by removing tables and chairs to reduce room occupancy. Place acrylic dividers on all tables for a safe barrier between employees without blocking anyone's view. Soft seating areas should stay unused. If necessary, rope off those sections. Appliances should be spread out and wiped down after use, and leave vending and ice machines unused. Cleaning supplies should be kept in easily reachable centralized areas, and it's also a good idea to have hand sanitizer at each table. Have a designated entrance with an established traffic pattern for entering or exiting the space, while secondary entrances should be used for emergencies only. Looking towards the future and as restrictions ease, configure tables and chairs in a way that allows you to reduce occupancy and stay flexible without disrupting the look of the room. Consider using stacking chairs to easily accommodate seating needs while taking up minimal storage space. You can reopen vending and ice machines for use, but make sure they're being properly cleaned and disinfected. If you would like to reopen soft seating areas, replace the furniture with individual chairs in healthcare-grade vinyl for easy cleaning. Place permanent signage throughout the breakroom to help dictate cleaning procedures and serve as reminders to clean and disinfect what's been used before leaving. Finally, you can reopen secondary entrances, but maintain traffic patterns to instill good habits. Following these few steps can keep your breakroom a safe and social space even during times of social distancing.